Deforestation has been a major subject of debate in recent history. Forests are the lungs of the earth, the air we breathe. Stability of our climate and a rich variety of life depends on forests. However, rainforests are still being destroyed at alarming rates. In this presentation, I will be focusing on deforestation occurring in Indonesian rainforests and the effect that this has on the Indonesian people. While human beings rely on rainforests, so do many species of animals and plants. Destroying and the mass removal of land causes the loss of habitat for many species of animals. Also, the increase of greenhouse gases in Indonesia because of the removal of trees and the burning of forests has made Indonesia the third largest greenhouse gas emitter in the world, behind China and the United States. With all this in mind, a question which could be asked is, if deforestation is so bad for human beings and the environment, then why do people continue to remove trees? Well, the answer to this is simple. Rainforests in Indonesia are cleared for making more land available for housing and urbanization, to harvest timber and create items such as furniture, papers, and homes, to create products for highly prized consumer items such as palm oil and cattle, and create room for cattle ranching and wood processing industries. According to the Rainforest Movement, Indonesia has an above average rate on how much forests are being removed, with an estimate of 2 million hectares of land per year, mostly due to illegal logging. Between the 1900s and the year 2000, 24 million hectares, which is 20% of land, was destroyed. And by 2010, this had increased to 94 million hectares of land, which is 52%. This goes to show that deforestation is increasing at alarming rates. One of the leading causes of deforestation in Indonesia is the palm oil industry. Palm oil is an edible vegetable oil derived from the fruit of oil palm trees. These palm trees are grown across the region of the equator, but mostly in Indonesia and Malaysia. Palm oil is very versatile and can be found in many products, from cleaning products to food, toothpaste, and makeup, making palm oil one of the most favored oils in most household products. Palm oil production have increased considerably over the past 20 years as it is cheap to purchase and easy to produce. Palm oil can be found in 71% of foods, 24% of consumer products, and 5% of energy. The impact of deforestation has been detrimental on the environment, affecting the indigenous Indonesian people and animals such as the orangutan and the Sumatran tiger, both under a heavy threat of extinction. According to Pegton Zoo, if deforestation continues to occur at the same rate, the orangutan will be extinct in the wild in 6 years and will only be found in reserves. Indonesia has skyrocketing environmental and social problems resulting from clearing of forests. The burning to clear forests is widespread, producing thick smoke, shutting down regional air traffic, and provokes public health warnings in urban areas. Pesticides and factory waste pollute soils and waterways. This is also a serious human rights abuse as many indigenous Indonesians have their homes destroyed, leading to many conflicts between local communities and companies. There are many ways in which deforestation can be stopped. We as people can speak out against these acts and write letters to government officials about your concerns. Solutions which can be implemented include stopping the use of palm oil and finding alternatives such as soybean and coconut oil. Donations are also extremely helpful and can be used to increase awareness as well as help endangered species. It can also be reliable to communities who have been unfairly treated and lost their land because of deforestation.